Okay, then question number 6. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. Calculate its linear velocity if it takes 24 hours to revolve under the earth. So radius of already given 42,250 km. You already know speed equal to velocity. So time is 24 hours is given to revolve around the earth. We want to find out distance. What is the distance in the circular orbit? Perimeter of the orbit, perimeter of the circle. So how to find out the perimeter of the circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. The r value is already given here. So speed equal to distance divided by time. So distance is 2 pi r divided by time is 24. After the simplification you should get the answer. Distance equal to speed equal to distance by time. Distance equal to 2 pi r because it is a circular orbit. R is given, time is given. After the simplification you should get the answer 3.07 km per hour because distance is given in kilometer, time is given in hour. Okay, then question number 8. The nerve implies travel at about 100 meter per second. If a woman 1.8 meter tall steps on drawing pen, roughly how long is it before she know about it? Part 2. If she is walking along with a speed of 2 meter per second, how far will she have travelled in this time? So speed is already given 100 meter per second. Height, otherwise distance is given 1.8 meter. We want to find out time. You already know speed equal to distance by time. Speed is 100 meter per second. Distance is 1.8 meter and divided by time. So time equal to speed divided by time. So 100 by 1.8. 100 meter per second and 1.8 meter. 100 divided by 1.8, answer is 0.018. Meter will be cancelled. So SI unit of time is second. Part B of the question. What is the part B? If she is walking about with the acceleration is changed but time is same. So acceleration is 2 meter per second, time is 0.018. Already find out from the section A. So speed equal to distance by time. Speed is 2 meter per second, time is 0.018 second. So distance equal to speed into time. 2 into 0.018. Answer is 0.036 meter. Okay. Then question number 9. In a test of a safety retainment of a test car was slowed down from 50 meter per second to rest in a time of 0.40 second. What is the acceleration was this? How far did the car travel in the time? So U, that means starting velocity 50 meter per second. Final velocity 0 because it's come to rest. Time is given 0.40. We already know the expression of acceleration A equal to V minus U by T. V value, final velocity 0 because the car is come to rest. Initial velocity 50 and time is 0.40. So 50 by 40 you get the answer 125 meter per second square. The minus is also here because it is a retardation. Car is slowed down its speed. That is the reason it is called as retardation. Part 2, time is 0.40 seconds. Acceleration is minus 125 meter per second square. We want to find out distance. I am taking the second laws of motion. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. S we want to find out. V minus U square equal to 2AS. So we want to find out S. So S equal to V square minus U square divided by 2A. So V value is 0. U value 50 divided by 2 into A value minus 125. After the simplification you should get the answer S equal to 10 meter. This is the distance. Okay, thank you.